All right, so here we go again, and this session is going to be after 4 days. और 4 दिन के बाद इसीलिए क्योंकि पिछले 3 दिन हमारे रहे हैं complete rest and not even rest, that was bed rest. और वो क्यों? इसलिए क्योंकि 3 दिन पहले I got infected with viral fever. I don't know exactly what to say it, लेकिन there was a kind of a feeling that got me into so much of weakness, and literally my body was so much heating up. When I got checked with thermometer, it was showing 104 degrees Fahrenheit, and people who know that what is the normal range for a normal kind of fever, that is like under 102 or 103, but it was above the kind of a normal range. Earlier, the day I got that fever, I was thinking that कि अब सही हो जाएगा, लेकिन it didn't. तो उसके बाद I went to a doctor nearby for the treatment or the medication. Treatment इसलिए नहीं कह सकते हैं क्योंकि it is not a kind of a illness, और कोई ऐसी बीमारी नहीं थी. It is just a viral. बहुत कोई बड़ी बात नहीं होती है, लेकिन still when someone gets infected, the only person knows how does it feel. So there was literally no chance of working out, and not because I was kind of feeling very weak. Still I could get some of the movement, but I didn't wanted to spread out if there is something what I have. The salts given by doctor, I feel just all right. और अगर एनर्जी लेवल की बात करें तो कह सकते हैं कि अभी ऑलमोस्ट उस बार पे नहीं है जो नॉर्मली रेंज रहती है, बट आई थिंक स्टिल आई कुड गेट सम ऑफ द मूवमेंट टू कीप flowing that blood into the muscles. I still kept with my cardio at home, as fortunately I have treadmill. तो कार्डियो के संग कोई कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ नहीं हो रहा था, but still that was not very intense. Just slow pace walking, like 5 km per hour, and just for 15 to 20 minutes, just to get some movement. लेकिन आज सुबह आई वॉज थिंकिंग कि लेट्स डू ओनली कार्डियो एंड अगेन बी ऑन बेड रेस्टिंग ऑल डे. बट थिंग इज, जो भी इन्फेक्शन टाइप का जो था या फीवर था वो अब सही हो चुका है. द ओनली थिंग लेफ्ट इज जस्ट वीकनेस. So I was in the morning procrastinating about कि whether should I do training or not. So if I go through the logical kind of approach, so I think I should take a rest day, one more. But still there is a gut feeling inside that knows if I didn't go today, there is only one thing I would do at home, that is to lie down on bed and do nothing. So that will only bring me more sickness than ever. So this is my kind of thought process. I don't think it is right or wrong. It is just what it is. So thing is, आज होने वाला है एक लोअर बॉडी सेशन, क्योंकि इस सिकनेस से पहले हमारे एक काइंड ऑफ इंजरी सिचुएशन थी अपर ट्रैप में, वो भी अभी कोई बहुत ज़्यादा सही नहीं हुई है. और इस सिकनेस के संग उसका पेन भी और ज़्यादा बढ़ गया था. सो इन दिस एरिया ऑफ राइट साइड अपर नेक अपर ट्रैप देयर इज़ अ स्लाइट डिस्कम्फर्ट वाइल टर्निंग माई हेड. तो देखते हैं कि अभी हम जितना ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अवॉइड कर पाएँ कि इस पे कोई भी अननेसेसरी लोड है. तो नॉट स्टार्टिंग दिस डे विद एनी हैवी अपर बॉडी movements. Let's start with lower body. तो lower body or in other words that is legs. Lower body sounds cooler but it's actually legs, nothing to do other than legs in a lower body. तो चलते हैं फिर. And as we already know there would not be squats any soon, but that doesn't mean there would be no intensity. तो देखते हैं फिर आज के दिन की क्या अप्रोच रहने वाली है. सो लेट्स गो.
Fire went out, lights went down. When you feel lost in your shadow, don't feel alone, don't scream so loud. We are living in this cruel world. Broken but strong, gotta move on. You are not a bakery of life. Equip my soul, find the real gold. I'll fulfill what I started. Cold. lost in your shadow, don't feel alone, don't scream so loud. We are living in this cruel world, broken but strong, gotta move on. You're not a bakery of life, equip my soul, find the real gold. I'll fulfill what I started. Went down when you feel lost in your shadow, don't feel alone, don't scream so loud. We are living in this cruel world, broken but strong, gotta move on. You're not a bakery of life, equip my soul, find the real gold. I'll fulfill what I started. Lights went down when you feel lost in your shadow, don't feel alone, don't scream so loud. We are living in this cruel world, broken but strong, gotta move on. You're not a bakery of life, equip my soul, find the real gold. I'll fulfill what I started. lost in your shadow. Don't feel alone, don't scream so loud. We are living in this cruel world. Broken but strong, gotta move on. You're not a bakery of life. Equip my soul, find the real gold. I'll fulfill what I started. Went down when you feel lost in your shadow. Don't feel alone, don't scream so loud.
End of the session, and I could feel the warmth while closing my eyes, and that is relatable from the condition I had previously, that was in fever. But I don't think it is coming from that. ये जो भी फीलिंग है आईलिड्स में वार्मनेस की और वार्मथ की, it is just because of dehydration and pushing too hard in the session. Pushing too hard doesn't mean कि आज हमने unnecessary heavy weights के संग without any form इस तरीके से ट्रेनिंग करी है. टुडेज सेशन वाज काइंड ऑफ अ वेरी स्मार्ट अप्रोच एंड काइंड ऑफ अ वेरी ओल्ड स्कूल थिंग आई डिड टुडे, एंड दैट वाज पिरामिडली ओवरलोडिंग. यानी कि टॉप सेट विद द हैवीएस्ट वेट एंड the first or the second set to be just as warm-ups. अब इसमें कुछ ऐसा न्यू नहीं था या फिर अलग नहीं था जो हम यूजुअली करते हैं. अब यूजुअली क्या होता है कि वार्म अप हमारा कुछ ऐसा लगता है कि फर्स्ट सेट ऑफ एनी एक्सरसाइज विद जस्ट 50% ऑफ द स्ट्रेंथ, और second working set is almost about 65 to 70%, and the third or sometimes even the second, that is the first working set, we do with almost 85% of total strength. अब ऐसे ऐसे समझ सकते हैं जैसे कि अगर किसी का 1 rep max PR है for a bench press, that is 100 kg, so that is 100% of his strength. और अगर मुझे उसमें से अपना वर्किंग सेट एक करना होगा तो मैं अपने वर्किंग सेट को 50 kg वाली बेंच को कंसिडर नहीं करूँगा. आई विल ओनली कंसिडर द बेंच ऑफ 85 kgs. एंड जो उससे पहले 50 kg और 60 kg का सेट रहा होगा, अब बहुत सारे लोग उसे भी एज अ वर्किंग सेट कंसिडर करते हैं, तो उनके लिए अपर एक्सरसाइज हुए 3 वर्किंग सेट. but it does not go for me the same. And people try to do, like if they are doing 50 kg bench, considering it as a working set, they do stop at any specific rep range they try to believe produces more result. That is, some people believes that 12 repetition is a magic number, which is basically not, but it is and could be the good way to track your strength, but it does not mean that it's the superior rep range or the kind of training one should do. If you could just do 17 reps with the kind of weight you are just stopping at 12, there is nothing to be stop at 12. I don't know, many people do not understand this. Lekin it is like if they are making gains with any kind of approach, that is just alright. Nobody is here to teach you the most optimal or superior way, which is not the truth. Because the truth is, anyway you have to get big, and depends on your goal. If you just want to get lean, then you should look leaner despite of any kind of approach you follow. Whether you train just once a week or twice a week or 7 days a week or even 14 times a week, just going gym twice a day. Many people do this, I know, but however, अगर बात करें अपनी, I prefer taking more rest days after the intense sessions. This is not just taking rest days out of procrastination of not training. So there wasn't any quad movement today. Hopefully देखते हैं कि आगे हमारे पास दिन है, पहले रिकवरी को प्रायोरिटाइज करेंगे. If recovery hinders, there is no point of training. So अब कल ट्रेनिंग रहनी है या नहीं रहनी है, it all depends how I feel throughout the day today. So that was the first thing, working out today, and let's move into recovery mode. तो मिलते हैं फिर सीधे नेक्स्ट सेशन के साथ.